Hello there, how are you doing? Pastor JR here. A day before we go to Metro Manila, I am here at Miramar subdivision near the beach. Actually, the beach is just over there. It's actually under us because it's high tide right now and the water is up. And the tide is rising, not only here in this water level in the beach area, but at the same time in our Julius Hall expansion program. So thank you for allowing me to share with you, to speak to you. This video is being brought to you by your discipleship life group leader or our leaders that has volunteered to make sure that this will be played during your life group meeting, your discipleship life group meeting. Brothers and sisters, I pray that this 2026 will be a year that will truly make sure that our witness stone, the Julius Hall, will be done, at least in its new redesigned scale, redesigned structure. We need to make sure that OBO will go for it. We need to make sure that there will be an occupancy permit, and all these things is a process in our building of our M1, M2, and roofing above. Do you know that when we finish M1, we immediately had a service, we immediately had conferences, we immediately catered to around 80 to 100 people comfortably in our M1 air-conditioned area. But you know that when we add M2, our total seating capacity will be 245, even a little bit more in an air-conditioned space we really call our own. Now, that's in the first level. In the second level, it can seat at the same time more than 300 people in an open air area on the side because, of course, it is al fresco. Having a wonderful roofing on the top of our second floor. So, brothers and sisters, I appeal to you to do two things. Number one, pray to be part of our Magi giving of pledges this coming February 20, 21, and 22. Number one, pray. Number two, you cast your pledge for 2026. The pledge, number one, has to be done in faith. Number two, it has to be done with prayer. And number three, it has to be something challenging and sacrificial on your part, on my part. You know what, believe it or not, we as a family also made a pledge. Not this year. We are still continuing to pay our pledges of 2-3 years ago, but it changed our perspective and life, at the same time challenged us to be really close in our heart towards our building project, His Life Properties, M1, M2, Julius Hall. Brothers and sisters, remember, this is asset build-up, meaning to say, this is not an expense. This is an asset building up so that in the next few months and even years, this will bring in more and more resources in our ministries, in our mission program, and in other things that we do from the His Life All Nations office. So thank you for allowing me to come into your life group, to come into your meeting. Pastor JR here together with Trixie and together with our entire family. We are praying for the finishing of M2 together with a roofing for our His Life Properties 2026. Again, remember to pray, number one, and number two, to bring your pledge this coming February 20, 21, or 22. February 22 is our foundational 33rd celebration. It's a big thing. You can bring your pledges on that day, 22 or 21. Saturday, we will have a special service for that. God bless you all. Pastor JR here for our Magi campaign. Goodbye.